Today we're going inside a United States ammunition factory that builds giant 155 millimeter artillery shells. We'll watch the real industrial process from raw steel to fully assembled artillery.
Everything begins here with thick, hardened steel bars. Steel is heated to extreme temperature for forging. Forging creates the outer artillery shape. Interior diameter must match NATO specification. Measurement confirmed.
Accepted.
Heat hardening protects against pressure and temperature.
Exterior welding strengthens the outer shell body. Precise interior shape controls ballistic stability. Protective coating prevents corrosion during storage.
Every shell must pass inspection individually.
The tolerances on this batch look good according to the tablet data.
Confirmed. Caliper measurement matches the specs.
This section requires special clearance and protective gear.
Every shell must match exact interior capacity before filling. Rotation ensures uniform balance and stability.
Internal plugs prevent movement during firing.
All triggering components must remain disabled until deployment.
Only certified shells continue to packaging. Each crate travels under strict military tracking control. A microscopic error can cause rejection.
The triggering unit stays disabled during assembly.
Every lock must withstand extreme pressure. Temperature mapping reveals hidden flaws.
If movement exceeds limits, the unit is rejected.
This label tracks the entire life cycle.
Only verified units continue forward. Shipment requires multiple safety layers before leaving the factory.
Each 155mm unit carries traceable production data. Organized storage supports stability control.
Environmental control protects internal components.
No container moves without clearance.
Only verified personnel can authorize departure.
Scan confirmed.
Transport engaged. Moving to Sector 4.
Strict safety protocols follow every route. Tracking runs continuously. Testing requires controlled infrastructure. Performance is studied without direct contact. Payload is secure in the chamber. Confirmed. Running full diagnostics now. Results confirm structural integrity before certification.